Deep in the heart of Texas, that's where we find our Motorhead of the Week, Richard Johnson. He says he eats, sleeps, and drinks automobiles. When he was still in high school, Richard used to buy, fix, and sell Volkswagens, and naturally that's evolved into a lifetime of working in the auto industry. For over 35 years, Richard's worked in body shops, at super shops, and at dealerships. And just a few years ago, he started a car transport business. He says his is different than everybody else because he's a car guy, and other car guys trust him with their classic cars, and I believe him. Among the cars you'll find in Richard's garage, a 66 Cutlass convertible that his daughter helped him build when she was little. He sold it at one point, but he bought it back 9 years later, and I have a feeling that one is a keeper now. Go to MotorheadGarage.tv and tell us your story. Maybe you can be our next Motorhead of the Week. We are out of time, but we hope you join us next week when we do it again. Until then, so long from the entire crew here at Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. Drive safely.